Okay, so let's start the session. Thank you very much for joining us today. My name is Sajjan Sadev and I'm the Digital Marketing Head for Global Infonet Incorporated, and this is our very own product called Doc, which is powered by SharePoint and Microsoft Office, which indeed unlocks productivity and employee collaboration in your organization. So, for small and mid-sized businesses, technology can make the difference in driving your company ahead, setting you apart from your competitors, whether size they may be. Boston Consulting Group's study found that technology leaders far outperform their peers in the marketplace, and they create jobs almost twice as fast as other businesses, and they increase annual revenues 15% faster than companies with lower levels of technology adoption. So technology can be a major differentiator for your business, but the challenge is, how do you get there? So we believe Doc can be an answer to most of your document management, information management, compliance, collaboration, and productivity need. In the next 30 to 40 minutes, I will demonstrate the capability of Doc and how it can be used as your company's most important productivity tool. As you can see, the whole world is moving towards mobile first, cloud first world. The number of people who would be using mobile devices at work are as a staggering number. Is your business ready to adopt the workforce who like to be on a mobile device or a tablet? We believe Doc can help you to adopt the new world of mobile and cloud. We have created Doc from our expertise in developing many SharePoint Intranet portals for the corporate world. Global Infonet is a 15-year-old company based in Jacksonville, Florida. So we have done over 65 implementations, business applications so far till date, and we believe a well-crafted internet solution can help companies share ideas and vision of your company with your employees, vendors, or customers. Automate business processes, store documents securely, and share it with others to collaborate. Search for information when you need them. Doc is built on top of SharePoint, and it can be deployed either on a SharePoint Online or a SharePoint on-prem environment. As I talked at the beginning, the business value of Doc is help your employees with the journey of mobile first world, stay connected with everyone in your company all the time, collaborate on ways you have never done it in the past, keep information secure, and top of it all, this can be done without breaking your IT budget. So let's move into the features of Doc. Okay, here's a quick preview of the Doc landing page. I'll be taking you through a demo of all the features later in this presentation. So Doc has two main components. One, the main landing page where we have features like company-wide alert, photo gallery, contact of vendors, customers, employees, quick downloads, events, organization directory, news and announcement, forms, procedures, search and optional social media capabilities like Yammer integration. As you can see, many of these features can be handy for communicating what's going on within your company on an ongoing basis to keep everyone updated on latest. Also, the landing page, employees can search for information they're looking for. Great thing about this portal is employees can access this information from their mobile devices or tablet or PC or Macintosh, wherever they are comfortable. They'll be able to access information only if they are authorized to view it. So speaking about the department sites, we have pre-built 5 different department sites most companies typically have. However, you will have options to add additional departments if you wish to. These components were incorporated into each one of these departments can be modified by you to fit your specific needs, although most of these organizations will be able to use it the way we have designed it. The sales portal. This is something which we have designed to handle basic features of a customer relationship management system like lead management, right? So we have a semi CRM feature that we have brought into Doc Intranet portal, where you'll be ability to track or manage your sales leads in one place, manage your accounts, which includes your prospects and customers. You'll be also able to manage contacts, details of your leads, customers or prospects. There's something we have as opportunities where you'll be able to keep track of the opportunities of your sales teams, identify to better project your sales velocity, closure rates, manage sales quota, etc. And also you have sales literatures where you'll be, which actually helps you to maintain the latest information of your products, brochures, sales materials, and pricing details, so that sales team can get latest information all the time. Also, the sales team can access this information wherever they are. So as on the go, right? So the best thing is that you have Doc on your mobile devices as well. So the best thing is wherever they go, they have this information with them. For example, let's say the salesperson is at the customer site and he just wants to access a brochure or a pricing sheet. He just have to flip the phone and just access the application, and then that's it. Boom, he has the sales literature or the pricing or the brochure at his fingertips. Next, we have the human resources portal. This is the right place where employees can find frequently used documents like healthcare environment, 401k, employment policies, benefits, or other HR forms. This portal can be maintained by the HR team without any help from the IT department. We also have a built feature where employees can request for PTO, which can be routed to the HR team once it's approved by the manager. By the way, the PTO request is available for the Doc Premium versions only. Next is the IT portal. This is built to serve as your internal IT help desk, IT-related information and FAQs. Using the IT help desk management feature, any employee can ask for help with IT-related issues and can be routed to the concerned IT resources for quicker resolution. This will help you to track of ongoing IT-related issues and get resolution on things faster and, of course, better productivity from employees. As you can imagine, a non-working computer or IT system can slow down your work tremendously, as we rely on a computer for everything we do. Next is the training portal, which is designed to help companies to organize trainings, store digital contents for trainings, share content across organization, collaborate, and get feedbacks. You can store videos or any other digital assets, something like YouTube, like you'll be able to share or view videos just like YouTube for your organization with user permissions. You also got a training calendar which can be shared across your organization, which is a very good feature that we have, and this would be a great tool for employee onboarding or ongoing training needs. Next is the finance portal, which is a secure place where you can store your financial documents. In this day and age, everyone is worried about the security of information they share across a company, right? So Doc, along with SharePoint security model, is built to safeguard your information without compromise. Now it's the time to show you the demo of Doc. Okay, so this is Doc. As mentioned, this is powered by SharePoint Online. And this is the landing page of Doc. So we have put together this layout based on our experience building various intranet portals for our clients. So let's go over each one of the features. First, let's look at My Tools. This My Tools is a place where your Doc admin can configure various applications you use within your organization, and each user can configure it based on what they use commonly. For example, a financial accounting system may not be used by the sales team, and when they configure apps for themselves, they need to configure only what they use on a day-to-day basis. Right below My Tools, you can actually access the frequently visited links. This can be changed by our Doc admin. You can change these icons, color, and the link. This will give user access to frequently used information quickly. Just below that, we have the upcoming events, where you'll be able to publish all your events or important dates for your employees to see. So we have some couple of events lined up for doc, as you see on the screen, and they can be administered by the department head or the HR. Let's create one event and show you how easily it's easy to, probably you know how to edit this content. So what we have is, you have the date, you have the webinar or the event title, and you can actually enter all those details. So moving on the top, we have the image rotator or slider control, where I can, place big images right over here on my portal. And I can also probably, I can get images and text published here, and this could be an important announcement, employee birthdays, recognition, or any other important going on in your company. This is fully configurable by the doc administrator. Also, I just forgot, we have a quick downloads area over here, which is very interesting that we have, where you can, this actually can be configured by the doc admin. You have a set of documents populated here for employees to get quick access to. And as you can see, an icon will be shown on the left to indicate the type of document. So whatever documents you upload, the file type or the image or the logo will be appearing next to the file. So this is going to be helpful for you to, find out what kind of documents you have, and you could get analytic report from doc to understand commonly used documents and update this list frequently to get maximum benefit out of this section. Right below the slider, we have an alert, where can be used as a company-wide alert tool to let employees know about things like system maintenance down, or kind of a security drill or something like that. So major announcements can be actually put over here, and this permission to update the alert can be given only to the department heads or the doc administrator. Right below the alert, we have 4 image boxes, what you see here, which are quick links to frequently used items. This can be changed by the doc admin anytime. The images can be changed, and also the link and the text can be changed as well. The IT help desk will take you to the IT department portal, where you can create tickets to manage your IT related issues, and you have job postings. You also have FAQs and gallery as well. You can upload pictures of your events or company parties, or just get some get together pictures. And the last control that we have on the landing page is the news and announcements, where this could be a company-wide news or information you want to communicate to employees. So that's about the landing page. So how about just moving into the department pages? Let's see how the sales portal looks like. So what I'm going to do is, I have my menu bar over here. I have different departments like sales, finance, human resources, IT, training. So I also have sub menus over here. So let's check out what each department has got to offer us. So I go to sales here. And yeah, I talked about in the beginning, right? The sales portal, it's designed to act as your customer relationship management system. As you can see, the sales portal has few sections very similar to the landing page, like news and announcements, quick downloads, and quick links at the bottom. So core features of the sales module that we have is the leads, we have accounts, we have opportunities, and we also have sales literature. So, and also we have case studies and sales reports, which is actually a very good tool for the sales department. So let's go ahead and create one of the leads. So I'm just gonna click on leads now. Okay, so these are some of my leads. I'm just gonna go ahead and enter one of the lead. So click on new item. Okay, so let's go ahead and type the title. Okay, that's a new person. Let's call him looking for doc intranet portal for their organization, and looking for 1,000 user. Okay, and we have purchase process, that's individual, committee, and unknown. So let's go ahead and just click on individual. Let's say let's assume that Sean is a decision maker or something like that. The purchase time frame probably this month, next quarter, this year. So let's put it for this month, right? And the lead owner. So please note that the lead owner is someone who actually works within our organization. So this is actually linked with the contacts or the employees belonging to this instance or belonging to, let's say now we are a company doc, right? So we have the employees listed under that. So it actually pulls up the values of the number of users or the list of users within the system. So let's see, yeah. And let's say it's assigned to Joe Joseph, and we have the lead status as qualified or disqualified. So you'll be able to edit this, and you can, probably when you actually create a lead, you'll be able to identify which is qualified or not. So let's call it qualified and click on save. Okay, so I have my new lead created over here. So whenever time permits or whenever if I see the lead is not performing well, I can just go ahead and edit to non-qualified, so I can differentiate which are my active leads and which are probably the lost leads. And let's go to the finance portal. Okay, so the finance portal is actually is designed to manage your financial documents. So similarly to the homepage, we have an alert specific for each department. So let's say if you have a team meeting or something going on, you can actually put it over here so that your employees will be well aware of that. Also, we have a news and announcement specific to the finance team. So probably, you can put in news specific, probably to the finance related news, right? So something like that, tax related news or something like that, you can put it over here. You also have your quick downloads here. Also, we have some buttons over here, quick links at the bottom, which is very much into the department, like taxes, compliance, financial reports, contacts. Also have contracts, so you can actually go ahead and upload over here. So let's click on the financial reports. You'll be able to upload the financial reports related to your organization here. So we have a couple of documents over here. This can be uploaded over here. So that's one good thing. You can also share it with your, probably to your top level management or to specific people, based on user permissions. So since Doc is powered by SharePoint, you can actually allow or you can bring in user permissions so you don't mess up or you don't share this document to the entire organization. Also, you have compliance, like I mentioned, where again I can, bring in other documents very specific to the organization, and also tax-related documents. So this actually is a repository for the finance department, so I can have all the important documents over here. Let's go check out the human resources department, where this is actually the essential department sites to handle your leaves, benefits, and employee recognition related information. So what I've brought in here is I have the HR forms where all your HR related documents will be available for download. Also I have benefits where this section will have all the employee benefits related information, and also have recognition tab where your employee recognition appraisal documents all will be available over here. So if you go to the HR forms, I have company handbook, general administration, holiday calendar. So all this kind of documents can be stored over here. Also the benefit documents. So everything what is very much necessary, everything can be bought over here. So that's about human resources. Let's see how you're going to apply for a leaves, right? So we have a leave application area where what happens is you can apply for a leave, and this through a workflow goes to the HR department or the HR manager. The person has to approve it, and then you get to know if your leave has been approved or not. So let's go ahead and probably check out how the leave works for you. Okay, so probably I'm just going to put it on 1st of June, and yeah, let's put it for Thursday, right? So I have one whole day. doctor's appointment, and requested by, yeah, basically the user, right? And just gonna go ahead and save it. Okay, so I have all my leaves, which are whatever leaves I've uploaded or probably I've requested. So what happens is an email is being triggered to the HR manager, and they'll have a look at it, and if it's good to go, they'll approve it, else it gets declined. So this is what we have brought in for the HR portal. Let's move into the IT. Okay, the IT portal facilitates with support, ticket management, requests, and an IT library. So this is what we have brought in over here. Again, you can see this is the dashboard we have for the IT portal, which is very much similar to the other departments. So what we intended to bring is we bring in alerts to all the departments, the news and announcements, quick downloads, so that makes things easier for all the employees. Now, the features that you have for the IT portal are, we have a ticket management where you'll be able to manage all support tickets coming into the IT department. Now, the support ticket can be created and the ticket status can be changed once the job is completed or it's been pending. So, you'll be able to change the ticket status. The requests, the employees' IT requests can be handled over here. So probably to change the password, or a request for a new system, or a request for a change in network adapters, whatsoever. This can be actually handled over here. And what we have brought in here is an IT library where it's a dedicated area where all the IT related documents can be made available for employee learning or troubleshooting. So that's one thing that we have brought in over here. So let's have a look at these features. Okay, so I have the IT ticket management. So let's go ahead and create one ticket, right? So I have, let's go ahead and probably system crash, system failure. Okay, let's call it that way. Priority is high. Now let's say the status is open. Okay, and then I go ahead and put a description, also put in a comment. Let's say, okay, my IT guy. Handling this issue. I got this ticket and resolve, right? And then I go ahead and save. So that's it. So I have all my tickets over here, and also I can see the status if it's open or closed. And let's go ahead and see some of the requests that we have. Okay, so let me see what's over here. So again, I can, based on my priority or the status levels, I can create requests specific to the department. Again, workflow is being created, an email is sent to the IT manager for approval. Also, we have an IT library where we can upload videos or documents specific to IT. So let's say how to use a system, what firewall issues, hard disk issues. So you have basic troubleshooting manuals available in the system. So the next, we have the training portal, right? So training portals are always in need for various organizations. That's why we have it for DOC, right? Which is a fantastic area where we have bought in training calendars, we have manuals, training manuals, and we have something called job aids, which is very interesting. We have videos, right? We have, like as I mentioned, you have YouTube kind of a video library where you can store video tutorials for employees. You can share it to your specific people as well. So let's see what we have got here. Let's go to training calendar. Okay, so I have a very good schedule out here. It's all kind of filled up for me. So basically what we have intend to bring in here is have a training calendar where I'll be able to track what kind of events or what kind of training sessions that I have. So let's say for sales I have here, for finance, for marketing, for the technical team obviously. So we have You can specify the time and date and which venue. Also, I have tracked down some kind of a team outing. So everything is very much possible, and all your employees will be well aware of the events that's happening within the organization. We also have a very custom feature where we are bringing calendars specific to each department. Let's say I have a sales department calendar, we have a finance department calendar, for human resources, IT. And what we are doing is we can integrate all those calendars into the training portal, a training calendar basically, based on color codes. Let's call sales yellow, orange for finance, red for human resources, green for IT, and then you can have a very colorful calendar right in front of your screen. And again, you have training workbooks, training manuals, job aids, as I mentioned. So probably, I can go ahead and upload kind of a workbook templates, worksheets, trainer guides, Q&As. Also have a job aids, what do you see over here? So basically, these are the videos that I have. I can play them directly from here. And also have thumbnails. So I'll be able to see what, it's easier for me to identify what kind of content that I have. If I want, I can send it to another person, so I can go ahead and do that. I have all those features over here. Also, I have training manuals. So I have the SOPs, or the standard operating procedures for each department. So a new joinee can actually go ahead and probably have a look at all these documents to familiarize how the organization is, basically how the organization is. So all this kind of documents can be stored or can be put into Doc portal, which is a fantastic interface. And as mentioned, Doc is powered by SharePoint Online, where you basically get all the updates and all the support directly from Microsoft, and this product is really, really good for your organization. Okay, so let's go ahead and search something like sales pipeline. Okay, let's see how the search functionality works. Okay, so what you see here is I have a fantastic search functionality that's within the application. So as you see here, I've searched for sales pipeline and I've seen documents over here. So this is one of the PDF file. If you see here the results, it actually shows you what kind of files or what kind of file types that appears over here. Who's the author for the basically the type of files that I have. Also, I'll be able to find out, like, probably, kind of a timeline. Probably I want to search a document which is 1 week old or 1 year old. So, but basically, I'll be able to find out what kind of documents. Based on my keywords, I'll be able to search it within the system. So that's a good thing. So everything I have over here in place. And this is actually within my organization. Also, what we have bought in is the meta tag search, which probably I'll be showing it in the next webinar, where basically for each document I'm going to add tags, right? So let's say I have a sales pipeline, so I'm going to define some tags like sales pipeline review, or let's say like a sales quota or something like that, and I bring in tags specific to this document. So let's say if I have a newcomer who's joining and he actually doesn't know the kind of files that we have, or the file names, or something like that, he just have to search for the tags basically, and he will be able to find out documents specific to that. So probably he's just going to type in sales or just pipeline. He'll be able to find out documents easily within Doc. Okay, so my recommendation to you today is to sign up for a no obligation 30-day free trial of Doc at mydoc365.com to see how Doc can benefit your organization. And I would be thrilled to receive your feedback or suggestions on the product, and please feel free to reach out to me for any clarification at sajjan.sahdevan@mydoc365.com. I know it's kind of easy to find out my email, so probably you just have to copy paste it. And thank you for your time today and have a great weekend. Goodbye.